Hello, good morning students. Again I have come back. So before starting I like to say something. You see, you should get up early in the morning. After washing your hands and face, take little amount of water and do some meditations. Okay? What type of meditation? I'm just giving one or two examples. You will follow it. Clear? So after taking little water, either you sit on the floor or on the bed and on yoga posture, and then you just close your left nostril and take enough amount of air, as much as you can. Okay, hold it for some time, then close the right nostril and exhale. Okay, then again through left nostril take air, close the left, exhale through the right. This procedure you have to continue 20 times. Okay, after doing 20 times you will perform at least 3 to 4 steps of yoga. That video clips I have sent on 21st June in the eve of International Yoga Day. What are the steps were there? Only 3 to 4 steps. First you have to practice every day. Okay, and after completing, what you will do? You will take again a glass of water and then you will go for studies. And on Thursday I will come back and I will ask you whether any changes you are getting or not. Definitely you will be benefited, you will be energetic, you will be feeling energetic if you perform this breathing exercise and first 3-4 steps which I have shown in my video clips. Okay, let's start our exercise. Yesterday what I said, 9.1 exercise question number 4 was left. But before starting question number 4, what I'll do, I like to do some extra question from old book. Okay, that is also related to addition only. Extra question first, addition. Only 3 questions were there for additions. It is not enough. It will not build up your concept properly. That's why I will do some more questions from old book. Okay, say extra. Add. Question 1. 4x cube minus 7x square plus 9, comma 3x square minus 5x plus 4, comma 7x cube minus 11x plus 1, comma, then last one is 6x square minus 13x. Okay, what is the procedure I told you? I am following horizontal method. In horizontal method, what I will do, I will replace that comma by plus sign, by putting plus sign here. So here I am starting, and you will try to follow all the expression in one line. Don't go for the second line. Since I don't have space, that's why I have taken the second line also. Here already I have used this much of space. That's why I am not getting. But in your exam or class work, okay, you will try to finish the entire line, entire part in one line. Okay. So now I am doing it here. So 4x cube minus 7x square plus 9 plus 3x square minus, I think it is 5x. It is 5x. 5x plus 4 plus 7x cube minus 11x plus 1 plus 6x square minus 13x. Okay, I have written all the expression one by one. Thereafter, I have to arrange all the like terms serially. Okay, whatever it is coming. Okay, now 4x cube, then another x cube is there, 7x cube, then x square, 7x square plus 3x square plus 6x square. Okay, then x, what is the x here? Here 5 minus 5x minus 11x minus 13x. So what is the result of this part? What is the result of this part? What is the result of this part? And then 11x, 13x, and then number plus 9, and here plus 4, and here plus 1, and result of, so 4 parts are here, you have to add. So plus 10x cube, then you orally you add 6 plus 3, 9 minus 7, 2, that is plus 2x square, and here all are negative, minus 5x, minus 11x, minus 13x, all are negative. So you add all the numerical factor, 5 plus 11, 16, 16 plus 13, 16 plus 13, 19, 29, minus 29x, and numbers are all positive, 40. So this is the answer. Have you got it? So you write it nicely. Okay. So 10x cube, 2x square, 29x, 40. This is the final answer. So now I can set one more question from my side. Okay. Shall I rub it? Now you will pause the video and complete the work. Okay. Then I am rubbing it. Extra addition. Okay. Now 2. Extra question 2. 3x cube minus 2x square minus 10, comma 8x minus 8x cube minus 4x square plus 15, comma then x cube minus 12x square minus 7. Only 3 expressions have given you. So you have to arrange the term properly. Then we just find out the result of each now term. 3x cube, and what is the next x cube? Minus 2x square minus 10 plus, comma is there, plus, and after plus you see minus sign is there. I have to put this minus sign in bracket. Maximum students are doing wrong here. So once you are adding and after plus sign there is another sign, I cannot write down two signs together. So these particular terms I have to keep in bracket. Okay. Now next is minus 4x square plus 15 plus x cube minus 12x square minus 7. Done. Now remove bracket. When two signs is there, make it one sign. Thereafter you can by side you can write down all the term also. So 3x cube. Okay. Now plus minus 8x cube, and this one is the plus x cube. Now next is minus 2x square minus 4x square, and then another one is minus 12x square. So minus 10, and here plus 15 minus 7. Now what is the result of this expression? What is the result of this expression? What is the result of this expression? Okay. So now you will do this way. 1 plus, you see x cube. What is the numerical factor here? 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4 minus 8. Then plus minus 4x cube. Understood? Then all are negative. Add it. 2 plus 6, 6 and 18. Minus 18x square. And this is positive and these two are negative. So 17 minus plus 5 means minus 2. Answer. Okay. I'm giving one rule. Plus minus. In case of addition subtraction, when plus sign is there, W and sign. Plus sign, we have to work out plus, sign will be plus. When minus plus sign is there, work out W. W stand for work out, minus subtract karo, and sign will be greater 1. Greater 1. Even plus minus is there, so work is minus and sign is greater 1. Okay, and when minus sign is there, work is plus, sign will be minus. So these are the golden rules. While calculating, you have to follow what sign I will write down. You see here plus 4 and minus 8. Plus 4 minus 8. I have done subtraction. 8 minus 4 numerically greater. 8 minus 4 and sign will be what? Numerically greater 1. So 8 is the numerically greater, its sign is minus, that's why I written minus 4. Okay, so now one more question, last. So 3, extra question 3, x square minus y square plus 3 minus x square minus plus y square minus 2, then 3x square minus 4y square, then minus 1. What will be the result? So same, so x square minus y square plus 3, now negative, comma, plus sign, and this one should be bracket, x square plus y square minus 2 plus 3x square minus y square minus 1. Okay, now write down all the like terms serially. X square plus minus x square and plus 3x square. Done. Minus y square plus y square minus 4y square. Then plus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So I told you when plus minus, negative and positive, same term, opposite sign get cancelled. These two gets cancelled. Minus y square plus y square gets cancelled. And what is the sum? Negative 2 minus 3. This 2 part cancel with this part. What is left out? So 3x square minus y square is the final answer. Any doubt? No doubt. Whenever having any doubt, when session is going on, I will be in online. So out of 45 minutes, at least 5 minutes I will give you time to ask me question or chatting. For chatting, I can give you 5 minutes. Okay? Then and then you clear your doubt so that it should to help other students also. Sometimes you have problem but you are not asking. Until unless you ask me question, it is not sure how can I understand when it will be like this. Understood? You should ask me question. Okay. Now I am coming to question number 4 from your textbook. Okay. Subtraction. What do we do during subtraction? Sign change. Sign change is a big factor. Okay. Okay, now textbook question 4a. Okay, 4a minus 7b plus 12 from 12a minus 9b plus 5b minus 3. The first work is that when subtraction word is there from, the second expression will come first, and behind this I have to write the first expression in bracket. So it will be 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus in bracket 4a minus 7ab plus 12. Okay, now second work is what? We have to remove the bracket. 12a minus 7ab plus 5b minus 3, remove the bracket, minus 4a plus 7ab minus 12. Now write down the terms serially. So 12a, is there any a? Yes, minus 4a. Then minus 7ab, what is 7ab? And plus 7ab. Okay, then plus 5b. So b is not there, only it will be like this. Minus 3 minus 12. So what is the result? Result is alone, and this one the result. So 12a minus 4a, 8a, minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. Okay, 7 7 14, minus 14ab plus 5b minus minus plus, that is minus 15. So this is the answer. Got it? Any problem? No problem. Okay. So you write down. Now I am doing the second B number question. Question number B. So you will pause the video and you will complete the work. Now, subtract question number B. 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from what? 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, so you have to write down in one line. So first the second expression will come, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz, then bracket minus first expression 3xy minus plus 5yz minus 7zx. Okay, now remove the bracket, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz minus 3xy minus 5yz plus 7zx. So what I have done, when removing the bracket, plus will be minus sign, converted into minus sign, and positive will be converted into negative sign. Clear? Now write down the like terms. 5xy, where is the xy? This one. So minus 3xy. Now minus 2yz, yz minus 5yz. Then zx minus 2zx and plus 7zx, and 10xyz, it is only one unlike terms, 10xyz. So result of this, result of this, result of this. Okay, 5 minus plus minus minus, so 5 minus 3 is the 2xy then what is the result? 2yz minus 5 minus plus, then 7yz plus minus 7 minus 2 5zx plus 10 x 10 x y z answer. So further I cannot reduce. Okay, how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 quadrinomial. I cannot reduce further because all are unlike term. Clear? Coming to next, C little longer, so no problem. So you will copy it, you will pause the video and copy the entire part in your fair notebook. Okay? If you are doing right now on a rough copy, then again you have to do it in your fair notebook. C number. So 4 p square q minus 3 pq plus 5 pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from what? 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2p square pq square plus 5 p square 5p square q. No problem. So same way second expression will come first. So I will write here so that in one line I can write down 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus first expression. So 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5p plus 5p q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Okay, remove the bracket. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5q square p minus 4p square q minus plus side change 3pq minus 5p q square plus 8p minus 7q plus 10 plus 10. All terms I have written down in one line. Okay. So now write down the number. So all the numerical constant term generally we should write at the end. Leaving that part you can write down. So I will send the 18 at the end. Okay. So minus 3p minus 3p. What is the p? Is there anyone p? 8p plus 8p minus 11q. What is the q? Minus 7q. Then plus 5pq. 5pq and then plus 3pq, then minus 2pq square and then pq square minus 5pq square, and then plus 5q square p, and here minus 5pq square. Q square p and pq square both are same meaning, 5pq square. So at the end 18 plus 18 plus 10. Okay, serially, what is the result? Two terms are there. You have to find out the plus minus relation. Okay, so it is coming plus minus minus, so it will be 5p minus minus plus, it will be 18q, no sorry, minus minus plus, sign will be minus, then plus plus plus, then it will be plus 8pq, and then minus 2 minus minus plus 7, minus 7pq square, and then here plus minus get cancelled, and last one is answer is 18 plus 10 28 answer. Understood? So this is all about today's work. Now I am giving some extra question. Whatever I did yesterday, on that basis I am giving some questions. You have to take it as a homework. Okay? Homework I am giving here. Now, so I cannot write down homework over there, so it will be a little longer. Homework, today's homework, today's homework day also. So identify the expression. Question 1, identify the algebraic expression. Identify the following algebraic expression. Following algebraic expression as monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. Trinomial, etc. and write down degree of the expression. Degree of the expression. What I say degree of the expression? You have to find out the sum of the power of all the little factors in one term. This way you have to find out the term which is having largest power, that will be the degree of this expression. So I am giving you just first you have to identify monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, whatever it is, and then you have to find out this one. Now 5p into q into r square, b number 3x square into y divided by 3x by y, c minus 3 plus 7x square, d 5a square minus 3b square plus c by 2, e 7 x raised to 5 minus 3x by y. Then the f is 5p divided by 3q minus 3p square into q square. First you have to say whether it is an expression you can polynomial or not. If it is not, then delete. If it is polynomial, then you have to identify the degree. Second question, which are polynomial and which are not polynomial? Which is polynomial, which are not identify which are polynomial and which are not polynomial. These are extra questions, not in your book. Follow my word. A 2 by 5 x raised to 4 minus root 3 x. Root is only 3, not on x. Mind it. 5x minus 1. B 7x cube minus 3 by x square plus root 5. So the constant factor may be root, but little factor should not be in root. Then C 4 a cube b square minus 3ab4 plus 5ab plus 2 by 3. CD 2x square y 3 by xy plus 5y square plus this. So only two questions I have given, two different types. Here you have to identify monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then you have to say what is the degree of this polynomial or expression, and here you have to say whether it is a polynomial or not. Okay, you have to identify. I told you the power of the variable should be positive, then polynomial. If it is not, then it will be. I can give one last question also. 3x raised to minus 7y square plus 3y cube x raised to 8. Okay, identify polynomial or not. Written down. So you will pause the video, write down. Okay, today up to this much. Next day I will start 9.2. Those who are having enough time, you can practice at home in advance, no problem, but that will be in extra notebook, and whatever I will be doing on the in class, you will copy that pattern only. And sometimes I will giving you extra question also, you have to follow my extra question. Okay, bye students, up to this much today.